So we are working on this Peugeot 308, which was converted recently to EW10A 2.0 liter petrol engine. So first thing first, we decided to check this particular CV joint, the one on the left. Look at it. So we pulled out, so we gave it to my drive shaft repairer to put it back in, and then use a proper clamp to hold it. So that one is sorted out, but there's something I was suspecting that it's possible could be the reason why he pulled that in the first place. The car there was a conversion done on the car, which was a good one, but I think there's a minor thing that we may need to correct, and that is the gearbox mount bracket. It seems to be higher, push the gearbox a little bit up than it should, instead of coming down a little. So because of that, the CV joint, instead of saying like this, you now push it up a little. So in that case, it will pull that hose attached on it. So look at it to see if there's an adjustment that can be done, so that the gearbox will drop a little bit lower, and then the CV joint can be able to, stay lower as well without pulling out, especially that hose. Anyway, so the next thing we are doing, we are draining the entire brake fluid. So because of that, we'll remove all the nipple on the calipers. You can see it here. So I've done it on the other, almost all the wheels. So we want to flush the entire system. And so now what we're also doing is to remove the gearbox. So the engine, like I mentioned, you can see is EW10A. So remove the gearbox. So one day I was not the one that did the conversion anyway. I don't have any issue with the conversion done. But normally I always tell people, if you have the option of buying a new original clutch kit, use it. Avoid used ones as much as possible. I only suggest used ones when there is no new one available, especially a good new one. So right now the clutch pedal is very, very, I won't say stiff, but heavy to the press. So the owner decided to get rid of, because that's the only thing that's making it to be heavy on the leg. So decided to get a clutch kit, new one, value. So I'm going to show you guys when it comes. So we are removing the gearbox so I can change the clutch kit. Something else we might also look at probably changing is the pedals. Let me see if you guys can see it. There's a spring that is supposed to be here on the clutch pedal, because this is manual, so that you can see this one, it doesn't come up fully. You're always supposed to push it up, the spring. So we'll have to buy the complete pedal assembly, manual pedal assembly, see whether we can swap it, the spring, or change the entire pedal assembly with what you want. So there's one they bought, but wasn't good enough, so I rejected it. So they are bringing another one. So that's it. So we'll continue to update you guys as soon as the work progresses. Alright. So the clutch kit, they bought it. So this is the value. Hopefully this will give me what I want, because not sure I've used this particular one within value origin in the past. The last value clutch kit I used for this engine has a different color, that blue color pack. Yeah, this one is different. Anyway, so this is the kit. This is the friction plate, this is the pressure plate, and then this is the release bearing. So this is this particular plastic pipe is just for setting the clutch kit on the flywheel. Alright, so later on we'll remove it to check to ensure that the value is engraved on the kit. Okay. Alright. So keep you guys updated.